Welcome to today's daily market analysis session. So today the pair that we're going to be analyzing is ETH and we're going to start from the daily time frame as the name suggests, right? So what can we see on the daily time frame? So the first thing that comes to our attention is the fact that the market has been bearish, right? So you can see the market has been creating lower lows and lower highs for the past couple of months now. However, the last time that we had a major bearish impulse was at this point between May and July, when price created a strong bearish impulse. And after this bearish impulse, the market started a new reaccumulation phase at this point. So this accumulation phase here lasted for a couple of weeks before the market finally created a new high, therefore breaking out from this accumulation. So the best way to identify an accumulation is using your rectangle. So you place your rectangle on the charts and then you take it across to cover the highest highs of the accumulation and the lowest lows of the accumulation. So these were the highest highs and these were the lowest lows, right? So now you have your accumulation box. So from this point, you can see that the market created a nice bullish impulse back up to 1,600. Now, during this bullish impulse, we can identify this active demand, right? So this was the last sell candle before this bullish candle was completed, right? So now that we have our active level of demand, what we are going to be looking forward to is a retest, right? So we're simply going to be looking forward to a retest of our demand and a continuation. However, we know that anytime price creates a breakout, in general terms, we usually expect a retracement and a continuation. So if price will continue back to the upside, then we expect the continuation to start above this active demand that we have around this point. Also, since we know that anything can happen, we are also open for a potential bearish move since the market has been bearish for the past couple of months. So the market could still continue to the downside. And in that case, this candle right here, this strong bullish candle, will be our active supply, right? So the reason why it is our active supply is simply because so far this is the last bullish candle in the market, right? So this is the most recent bullish momentum candle in the market. So if price should break below this structure, then on the retest we could see a bearish continuation. So this simply means that this active demand here is a very, very important point of interest for us on ETH going into the coming days, right? So I'm simply going to be observing price action around this active demand here for trading opportunities, right? Also, if we take out our Fibonacci tool from the lowest point of this impulse to the highest point here, you can see that this level here corresponds with our 0.382 and our 0.5, right? This active demand corresponds with these two levels that we have here. So this simply means that this level is a very important level for us on ETH. So I'm going to be looking forward to see how price reacts around this level generally. So from a daily perspective, this will be what I expect, either a continuation above this level or a bearish move back to the downside. So thank you so much for watching this daily market analysis. If you'd like to participate in the daily setups that I send out to my community on the 1 hour time frame, kindly request for the link to the Discord channel and then I will send the link across to you, right? So you can hit me up in the chat box below, or you can text me on Instagram. My username on Instagram is in the description down below, right? So once you text me, I'll send you the link to the channel and then you can get updates on the daily setups that I send out, right? So the main aim for this daily analysis is so that you can have a perspective, a higher time frame perspective for the market before you can now start looking forward to taking trade setups on the lower time frame. So thank you so much for tuning in once again. If you have any question or any pair that you would like me to talk about in particular, do not hesitate to let me know in the chat box below as well. So thank you guys, stay patient, stay profitable, and see you on the next analysis.